Is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I've worked for IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've been doing this 50 years, and I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I was a teaching instructor. I've been on the news many times. Many of you may have seen me on the news. Just so you know, you can look at my website at 777irs.com, and you can see my TV interviews and my whole team of former IRS agents. That's all we do is resolve IRS matters and file, back tax returns. Today, oh, by the way, 3 reasons I started this channel is to give you inside information into the IRS that people don't know about. We educate you and we inform you to go ahead and make the decision that you need to make. Today, in fact, what I'm talking about is revocation or denial of your passport because you owe certain back taxes. IRS has found they have a bundle of money through this FAST Act, it's called. IRS will send you a 508C letter letting you know that they are going to go ahead and let the State Department know that your passport is on hold. And that's a big problem because people who need to go out of the country and people who have business out of there, now their passports are being held up. And the problem is they need to do this fast and get this taken care of. Well, at our firm, we specialize in this revocation or denial of passports. There's different ways that IRS will recertify you, and they will send you another letter. So today, serious debt is anything over $59,000 or $60,000. You're going to get that 508C letter, and then it's going to make you nervous. They have to. Everyone who calls me on the phone goes bonkers because IRS has frozen these passports. So what do you need to do? All your tax returns need to be filed, and then there's a couple easy ways. If you can show that you're in a current hardship and you can't pay the debt, or you enter into a payment plan, or you file an offer and compromise with the Internal Revenue Service, they will go ahead and they will make sure you get your passport back. There's ways that we know to expedite the process to go ahead and do that. So really, what is the process? Well, when you call us in particular, we immediately make sure, your returns are filed. Number 2, we secure an IRS financial statement along with documentation, and we get to work. Our goal is within 72 hours to submit all the information to IRS with the documentation and start the process of reversal. The only thing that slows us down is IRS getting the information, processing the information, and then getting back to the State Department. So IRS has scared a bunch of people, but there are ways to get this back. There's no telling on how long it will take IRS to get this, get this done for you. But I know that within 72 hours, as a general rule, when you give us your financial information, we can go ahead, submit it, and we can start the IRS process. There's a bunch of other rules to go there. There's certain numbers we can call to go ahead and help with the process. But if you want to get this done, you're going to have to call someone. All I know is we have a team of former IRS agents that have about 250 years of professional work experience with the IRS, and IRS is just, they're jerking your chain, but they're jerking your cane, so you really have no choice. Anyway, look forward to hearing with you. If this information was helpful to you, give us a subscription. Contact us for a free consultation. It's not going to cost you a damn thing to give us a call, and we'll walk through the process with you. Thank you so much. I appreciate the subscription. Leave me a comment, a like, whatever. Thank you.